गणानां त्वा गणपतिगं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत नशृण्वन्नोतिभिस्सेदसादनम् ॐ श्री महागणपतये नमः। सरस्वत्यै नमो नित्यं भद्रकाल्यै नमो नमः। वेदवेदान्तवेदाङ्ग विद्यास्थानेभ्य एव च सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पाद शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। Please repeat after me. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Let us chant 12th mantra onwards. Please repeat after me. Andham tamah pravishanti ye sambhutimupasate tato bhuyaiva te tamaha यौ सम्भूत्यागम्रताः अन्यदेवाहुः सम्भवा अन्यदाहुरसम्भवा इति शुश्रुमधीराणाम् येनस्तद्विचचक्षिरे सम्भूतिं च विनाशं च यस्तद्वेदोभयगं सः विनाशेन मृत्युं तीर्त्वा असम्भूत्यामृतमश्नुते हिरण्मयेन पात्रेण सत्यस्यापि हितं मुखम् तत्त्वं पूषन्न पावृणो सत्यधर्माय दृष्टये हिरण्मयेन पात्रेण सत्यस्यापि हितं मुखम् तत्त्वं पूषन्न पावृणो सत्यधर्माय दृष्टये सत्यधर्माय दृष्टये we were seeing till 14th verse we had seen. Last class, if you remember, this Ishavas has 18 mantras, and out of these 18 mantras, first and second mantra is whole Ishavas in condensed form. What is the condensed form? There is a part of knowledge and the path of karma has been mentioned. Path. Path means that which takes to destination. From third mantra to eighth mantra is the Atma Swarup Varnam, the description of the self is there. And from 9th mantra to 18th mantra is the path of karma is there, path of action is there. From that we had seen till 14th mantra. I'll just quickly go through it. 9th, 10th and 11th mantra was saying that one should combine upasana with the action. 9th, 10th and 11th mantra. 12th, 13th and 14th mantra said one should combine the cause and effect both. What was the mention? What is the word for the cause? Asambhuti. And what is the name of the effect? Sambhuti. Okay, so both should be combined. So we should see something in it. So I'll come back to this mantra again. Just I want to go ahead and this I'll come back to it again. So please see how the subject is progressing also. So let us see the 15th mantra. If I'll get time, I'll come to that mantra again. What is said in this 14th mantra, it is said here, Sambhutim cha vinasham cha. Here Sambhuti is for Asambhuti, because the last, just for Sanskrit grammar people, students especially, A is ending in A, Vichachakshire. And if A is there, Eng Padantat Ati, there is a lope of A here. So here Sambhuti means Sambhuti and Vinash means Sambhuti in page 52. So Asambhuti means Sambhuti, Sambhuti means Asambhuti, and here Vinasham means Sambhuti. So Sambhuti means here unmanifest and Vinasham means here manifest. So those who do upasana of both together, that means those who do Sakaru upasana, plus they combine knowledge with the Nirakar is there, then what will happen? Vinashena. Vinashin means here Sambhuti. By the Sambhuti, Mrityum Tirtva, he crosses the death. And Asambhutya Amritam Ashnute. And Asambhutya here means Prakriti Lay. This word I will introduce little later on, just hold on. Okay, let me move forward, I'll come back to it. Now 15th mantra, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th is a prayer. And very important prayers, I will say please write it on a piece of paper. And when you offer Argha to Lord Sun in the morning, you have to chant this prayer. This is for the Lord Sun. This is a prayer addressed to the Lord Sun. And very, very popular prayers, especially those who are in Arya Samaj also, they also chant this prayer regularly. Because Ishavas is the Upanishad, because it's the mantra bhag, therefore they recognize this Upanishad also. So, before I go to the prayer portion, 1 or 2 points regarding the prayer, which I have said earlier also. See, why prayer is required? Because if you have not tried for something, there is no point in praying. When you have a desire for something, number one, and you have put sufficient effort after you had that desire, and you know that I alone cannot do this. So, if you have not put effort and then you are praying, your prayer won't have deenta. The helplessness in prayer is very important. Swasmin dinatva bhavana and Ishware Vishwas bhavana. So, in ourself, you should have felt that I cannot do it by myself. And what I cannot do by myself, there is a Lord who can do it. He has omniscience and omnipotence. You saw that. Lord is the one who can do everything, and therefore, if I cannot do alone, so there is one superpower that can be invoked. If this conviction is not there, two things, I am repeating it, that I know that I want something very badly. Second thing, I also know that I can't get it alone because I tried. And third is, from where I can get, there is someone who can give me what I want badly. Very few people are the one who don't do prayer. I think even atheist also does prayer. Otherwise, drop him into the Badrinath Marg or Kedarnath, that path is there, he will automatically into prayer mode. Doctors also before operation they do the prayer. Pilots also before flying they do the prayer. Film stars also before their shooting starts they do the prayer. Before the film is released they do the prayer. And in all religion, if one thing is common, and that is one thing is common, which is prayer. If you remove the prayer, I think all religion will collapse. If you are asked, do every sadhana, just don't pray, so your whole sadhana will fall down. So prayer is very, very important aspect, and it is the foundation of anybody's religious life. But how to pray and where the prayer gets intensity and how will it be answered and how I will get the object of the prayer, there is where whole strength of a person is. Saints' prayers are answered faster than the worldly person's prayer. And therefore, you have to understand why this is like that. To whom I am praying, I am asking something from that Almighty. But before I am asking from that Almighty, make him a listener first. Make him a listener. Let him intensely listen to me. And to make a listener, we need that he should be little happy with me. Then only you want to listen. We don't want to listen to everybody. Somebody is listener. So by our daily and normal activities, we have made a mind that he is ready, he is keen to listen to you. Like you will not listen to everybody on the street, God also will not listen to everybody here and there. And second thing about the prayer is that after becoming listener, when I said something, it was with so much of intensity and my melted mind, that seeing my melted mind, that God also melted. Unless He melts, you can't get what you want. देखो in Bhagavad, Uttara's example comes. Uttara was shot in her womb by Ashwatthama. And when she was shot on the womb, Parikshit was there in the womb. You know what happened? What? She ran towards what? Not towards Arjun or towards anybody else. She ran towards Bhagwan Krishna. She could have gone somewhere else, and then she said, Pahi Pahi Mahayogin Deva Deva Jagatpate Nanyantat Abhayam Pashye Yatra Mrityu Parasparam. Well, please protect me, please protect me. Other than you, everybody is the cause of death only. And if somebody is asking you something, he says, give me a piece of bread, or give me a loaf of bread, or give me some money. Ordinary person. So you will say, why should I give this person? I don't know him also. Why don't you earn? Your desire to give is not too much. But somebody with whom you are very happy, and he says, please give me, and while saying he cries, then your desire to give will be much more than the first person. This principle is not understood properly, it won't, God will not, then you will say my prayers are not answered. You are not praying properly. You are muttering some words without any depth in it. Somebody comes to me, Bole, please Swami, please tell the meaning of this shlok. Sometimes some people come, all of us, out of the blue, say, tell the meaning of this shlok. My desire to tell is not there. Why should I tell? Okay, come that day, I'll see. But somebody who has served in some manner, and he has given something, who has made me happy, he says, can I have 1 minute? Why 1 minute? You can take more? I am not ready to listen and to give to everybody in the same manner. This is a fact. Invoking the giver in Lord is possible only by our melted heart, where I invoke His omnipotence for me. For me. Dekho, there was one great saint, his name was Mokalpur ke Baba. Mokalpur, a place near Varanasi. It was not raining in some village for few years, so people were dying of famine. So some people came to him. He said, Baba, what is this? You are there and not raining. Please come. He said, only on one condition I will come. Well, what? When I will go there and if it rains, you all will not go away from when it rains. So earth had cracked and it was terrible. Drought all around, not a plant was there, a scorching sun. India temperature is not 32, 33. Here it is 32, they say, so hot, today is 33 degree. So hot, 35 degree. In India it is 48 degree. Still people work. You go in Rajasthan and see my yajna is there. And sometimes no AC is there, no cooler. Still yajna is going on. Chennai is also plus 40 plus. I am telling you, 43. यहाँ 40 तो नहीं टच करता होगा, I think. करता है? Very rarely. Rarely. 30 में हालत खराब हो जाती, 40 का. So that Mokalpur Baba, they took him. He stood there. He saw like that, closed his eyes. देखो यही आदमी की कमाई होती है. Our earning for serving Gurudev was that if we went and he was happy, you say, Gurudev, yes, today I want this. What do you want? I want, can you talk on this particular topic? What you want to talk on? Yajnanam Jap Yajñosmi is in 10th chapter. Just a small. I'll tell you, he used to say, because you are saying it, therefore I'll talk. Not to me, but I'm telling you. Why should I put myself? Because you are saying it. हर आदमी के हर आदमी नहीं सुनता और न मानने की इच्छा होती है. Many people are there who want to talk to you, who want to get time for you, you don't want to give. Rather you think, again I have to talk to that person. Again I have to, oh my God. Again I have to chat with this person. Somewhere there you look forward. I can, if he wants anything, please tell me. Same rule is in the Ishwars also. ठीक है, ऐसे नहीं कि anybody goes in the temple, mutters some word, and Bhagwan get me son, get me daughter, this is there, and Bhagwan is not. Then you see, I chanted Hanuman Chalisa, nothing happened. We do bargain. It is not a business that you give 5 rand and you get 1 chocolate. ऐसे नहीं मिलता कुछ भी. ऐसे नहीं मिलता. And that Mokalpur के बाबा did, कमाई होती है. They have earned by their quietness, by their austerity, by their brahmacharya, by their love for Lord. And within, I think, 15-20 minutes, after 5-6 years, it rained so much. People started running. He said, I told you. Well, I'm feeling cold. Well, you feel cold is another matter. But I told you not run. ये एक होती है कि this person will pray, it will be answered. Everybody's prayer will not be answered, for your information. You will not fulfill everybody's wish. Hey, bole, Karpatri Ji Maharaj was a great saint of Varanasi. He used to say, asking is not bad, but we should ask after doing something. You have a right to ask. You have a right to ask. You are not asking unrighteously. He has a right to ask. He has done so much. He has a right to ask this. And they are called adhikari. And those who are asking without right, they are called bhikari. So, they are called beggar. He is asking without any right. Dhyan dena. These mantras are very important. So, how many things I said? My Dinta. Number 2, his omnipotency. Number 3, the Tivrata. Number 4, Ananyata. I have nobody else. Whom shall I go to? I have nobody else. One person came to me, he said, Swamiji, can you teach meditation? I said, if I don't teach, what will you do? He said, I'll go to somebody else. I said, okay, then go. Why should I give my time? And somebody says, no, I will learn from you whenever you want. Then it is in my mind. These are the facts. You have to accept these facts. So, omnipotency. Number 2, our dinta, helplessness. Number 3, tivrata, intensity. Tivrata means one thought. Number 4, ananyata, other than you. And number 5, I have strongly dravata. So, when this is there and a person prays, I tell you, wonder can happen. Nothing is there because you are very pure. People, very funny people are there. At other time they do something else. Other time I will drink also, I will eat anything also, I will shout also, I will be angry also. And all of a sudden, 7 o'clock they start praying. Non-praying hours, I already disturbed God. He is not hearing now. He is not a hearer now. I have blocked the hearer of God. Sometimes I don't want to talk to that person. I don't want to hear that person. Don't do the Ravana didn't pray. Ravana also prayed. Shivji did not listen to Ravana at the end. Who could lift the Kailash couldn't budge the feet of Angad. Prayer वहाँ भी prayer किया उसने, but it didn't work. Well, you are not listening. I send Hanumanji, still you are not listening. So prayer is, don't think it is a muttering. Everybody's prayer will not be answered, even if he keeps on chanting something. We are mechanical chanters. Only 100 times. Here it is a fashion. 40 days they chant Hanuman Chalisa. 40 days Hanuman Chalisa. Each day how many? 100 times? 11 times. So 40 days Hanuman Chalisa I am chanting. Other time I do anything. I shout on this person, I disrespect my father, I do anything. And for that 1 hour I keep on chanting. These things won't matter for your information. Now let me come to that prayer. Mood हो गया तैयार prayer के लिए? हाँ, मूड बनाना पड़ता है भगवान का, वरना प्रेयर नहीं होगा, कुछ भी नहीं होगा साहब. And let me tell you, you will get only what Lord will give you. You cannot get anything more than what Lord wants to give you. He can block your getting what you have to give, He can block you also. Sometimes you don't want to talk, you can block the person on WhatsApp. See, I have not blocked them, just I saw that. है ना ऐसा? With this background, please remember one thing. Sometimes you have to maintain, this person, I have to get this thing from. So let us keep him in good terms. He does quite a bit of work, we should not annoy him. We should not. So similarly, we should not annoy Lord, right? Every work will be from Him only. Today's days will be happy or unhappy depends on Him. You will have good word or bad word will depend on Him. Good news, bad news depend on Him. So why to upset the Lord? इतना काम जो वहीं से होना है. Even good thoughts, bad thoughts, He has a big control on that. Keep him happy. Why? I have to pray. Let me not do something, say something, think something, so that he is not ready to hear. Arjun and Duryodhan both went to Bhagwan Krishna. If you know the story. Who went first? Duryodhan went first. He sat on the bed near his pillow. I think chair was not there. And Arjun went and he sat on the floor. And Bhagwan is acting to sleep. He got up and he said, Arjun, how come? Duryodhan said, I came first. He said, but I will ask Arjun first. This is the boon. एक कमाई होती है, everybody, you don't listen. I have made my lifestyle, my mind, my routine, my habit, that God is all the time watching me and saying, हाँ, कुछ चाहिए तो नहीं? Sometimes people call me, say, Swami, you need anything? You need this? No, I don't need it. Please tell me. Just. Bhagwan also feels, he needs anything? And now let us see that God is manifested. The biggest manifestation of God is the sun. Here sun is mentioned. Solar, the sun is there. ठीक है? Here the name of the sun is Pushan. Pushnati iti Pusha. That which nourishes. Sun comes and whole world is nourished. Whole plant kingdom is because of photosynthesis effect is there. And therefore, all the vegetables that you eat and the fruits and everything is because of sun. Even moonlight is because of sun. Even your health is because of sun. Otherwise, you will be lacking vitamin D. Vitamin D. I said my vitamin was 15 only. It has to be 50. 50, huh? So 15 was there. Then the tablet was taken. Then it came to 60. Then they said to stop the medicine. Excess don't take. Excess of vitamin D is also not okay. Otherwise you are taking vitamin D only. So, O Pushan, Pushnati ti Pushan. So he is a sun god. In horoscope also, in the stars, if your sun is bright, then you are brilliant. 2 stars have to be very good out of all stars. Just I am telling a horoscopic thing. What 2 stars? Sun and Jupiter. Surya and Brahaspati. Others are also fine, but if 2 are weak, you will have a lot of problems. Well, I think my both are weak. No. So the sun is, that depends how much brightness you will have. Health problem. If health problem is there, that means sun is weak. Then what shall I do? I think you chant Aditya Hridaya Stotram. In the morning, facing the sun, you chant Aditya Hridaya Stotram. But where will you get? You get anywhere, don't worry. So, a Pushan, he is praying now, but he is a representative of the sun. Representative, supposing you to salute the whole country, how do you salute the whole country? Flag. Flag is there. Not that you cannot go on the top of the air and salute. The flag is a representation of the whole country is there. So I am saluting the whole nation. Similarly, here he is a representative of the whole God and whole universe also. Biggest representative of that is God only. What is he saying? Now let us see. Well, E Pushan Hiranmayana Patrena Satyasya Abhitam Mukham. Satyasya means of the truth. I am telling a very general meaning, very particular meaning I am not going. You will see later on. You will get worried over it. Of the truth, that Mukham means here not the mouth, face, Dwaram, the gateway. The gate of the truth is covered. Covered? Yes, it is covered. How it is covered? By Patrena, by some kind of lid. Here Patrena means lid. And really Patra means a vessel through which you drink something. Like you have a bowl, etc. Bowl. Sometimes you put a bowl on the top to cover something. Lid. Lid which has holding power. There are 2 kinds of lid. One is like this lid only. I covered this. One is like a lid with a bowl. So you cover with that also. 2 kinds of lid is there. Okay. Why you are saying 2 kinds of lid is there? I am telling you, hold on, wait. Okay, I am waiting. So, Patra in Sanskrit means Pibanti Aneniti Patram. Through which you drink something is called Patra. Earlier the spoon culture was not that much. So they used to drink in the bowl only. Supposing they are having kheer, not that they are eating kheer with the spoon so much. So they used to drink like that only. Or dal is there. Still I think they drink. So dal is there. So pibanti aniyan, through which you drink. So this is called patra. So how is this patra which is covering the truth? Hiranmayana, by the golden lid it is covered. Hiranmayana means golden lid. By the golden lid, the truth is covered, the face, the gateway of the truth is covered by the golden lid. Clear? By the golden lid, the gateway or the mark of the truth is covered, veiled. Yes, I understand by that. Why are you explaining it again and again? So, hey Pushan, O Lord Son, Pushan is in which case? Vocative. Sambodhan Vibhakti, vocative case. Tum, you, tat means that patram. Please remove it. Please remove that golden lid. Bole, but what? Why you are saying that is a golden lid? I am telling you now, why you are hurrying, wait. So, one is the Satya, the truth is there. Remember, you only came for the truth only. All the way in the morning, you came for the truth only. Truth is a very big attraction, I am telling you. You go and purchase from that shop, he was not cheating. If you know he charges too much or he gives that old thing in the name of, you won't. Everywhere truth alone is there. Otherwise match fixing will happen. Then you will become Shrikant, Srishant. Srishant hai na? Srishant. Batao, match fixing he was caught. It's Pakistani people. So, Satya Dharmaya, everywhere truth is a very big thing. In your profession, in your house, in your maid. I feel, I don't know, if some person is not following the truth, he is speaking wrong, you cannot live with it in the same room also. We are all bound together by trust only. So even empirical truth is very good. What to say of Paramarthik truth? Which was the truth? Ishavasyamitgam sarvam. That truth is veiled. By what? By this golden lid. What is this golden lid? I am telling you. What is this golden lid? Golden lid is, so many things are there. Golden lid is what? All the earth and calm is the golden lid. My vasanas. Patra means through which you drink something, through which you take something. So we think, you know where from our thought comes? Thought comes being drenched in my own vasanas and impressions. I see something not as it is. I see something as per my vasana of that object. Right? I went to a place called Shillong, and there somebody came from Nagaland, and in there the dog was there. So that person from Nagaland said, dog is very good. He said, yes, it is this breed. Well, no, it's very tasty. That means that person in Nagaland was eating dog. He didn't see dog only as a dog. He saw as per his samskar. There in Nagaland they eat dog. In China there is a dog, what is it called? Kya bolte usko? Dog fest. What is the name? Thousands of dogs are killed. So you will have dog market is there, where the dog are hanging. You hear all these things. So we don't see the world as it is. My thoughts about you is dipped in my samskar, then I see you. Like a dip is there when you eat. Some says dip. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Dip है ना? So you are eating something, so you dip and then you eat. Similarly, what I will think about you depends on my samskar, my own vasanas, then I will see how you are. How money is, how man is, how woman is. I put my sense of joy in it and then see it. You don't see as it is. And that is a wrong samskar. So it is keeping me occupied. I am carried away by certain person, certain instruments, certain material objects. Those who are very ornament loving, they are mad after ornaments. If you go to ornament shops, they will spend hours in searching one necklace. And what will sannyasi say? Sannyasi will say it's another metal. In Jodhpur, I was there, I had my birthday there in Jodhpur. One person brought very nice, this ring. Well, this is the best ring of Jodhpur Sahaj. I have 2-3 hours I worked and then I got it. Diamond studded. I said, see, we don't put anything like that. He said, what? Such a nice ring you can't take. No, keep it for you myself. Okay, I said, no, I will not, I don't put on the ring, you bring something else. Not that I will not take, the only joy of birthday is gift, of course. So, you can bring something else. When he went away, one person was there. He said, Swami, what are you doing nowadays? I said, why? You would have taken and give it to me. Such a nice ring I am searching for so long. What was wrong if you have taken that? उसको इतनी अच्छी लगी वो ring. He went there, found out what the ring was, where from you got. They are mad after this earring, nose ring, sarees, shirt. कुछ नहीं. और here if I put on new also, nobody says congratulations, new things, कुछ नहीं. So many times I am putting on new ones. You are not even saying, Swamiji, you are putting on new shirt, new kurta is there. कुछ बोलते ही नहीं कोई. सब एक ही जैसा लगता है. All the dresses appear as same. ये तो we are the one who see it dipped in our vasanas. I don't like you, I like you a lot. इसको पात्र बोलते हैं. And Hiran, why? Because this golden orb doesn't allow the sun to see. It is dazzling in one of my eyes. You can't see the sun like that. It will dazzle your eyes. The outer orb of the sun is stopping me to see the inner sun. Sun is not what you see like that, for your information. You are seeing there's a light. You are just seeing the light outside. Real sun, real ball of sun, you are not able to see. This example is here. Hiranmayana patrena satyasya. We are dazzled by, name, fame, wife, husband, child, grandchild, daughter. अच्छा, I can't see the main thing. I तो रोक दिया यहाँ पे. Somebody stopped. No, don't see. Look, take some money and चलो. Maya says, अरे, you are going towards the truth. Brahman you are going to. हाँ. Atma, you will know the Brahmatma. हाँ. What you will know? I want to know Atma, how Atma is Brahman. I am Mumukshu. I am the seeker of truth only. I want to get liberation in this birth. I'll give you very good wife. Chalo. Huh? I'll send one girl for you. Which girl? Very good girl. See the girl. Very good girl is there. She serves a lot. Chalo, wapas chalo. See, talk to her. Get little attached. Chalo, wapas ho gaya. Wapas aa gaya. Okay, I'll give you little fame, little fame I'll give you. See how people are after you. Go, wapas chalo. Arey, but I want to know. Okay, thank you. Later on. When you will have Atma Brahma, after retirement, after everybody is settled down, everybody is quiet, I am free, then I will always live with you, Swamiji. I will not leave you, I will live with you. And when I will be old, by that time, when I can't sit, I will sit for meditation. I think the art of living gives nice seat also is there, that support seat. I'll try to get that seat. I can't sit without the back support. And when my children are settled properly, grandchildren are also settled. Before that you will settle. Forever. ये तो थोड़ा सा किसी ने हमको ऐसे ही फुसला के चलो जाओ. Like children are crying sometimes. Is there? Okay, take chocolate. Go, don't cry. Chocolate le lo, chalo. Take one, no chocolate. Then he's crying also, laughing also. Tears are still there, still laughing. Ek aur le lo, chalo. Don't cry, chalo, go play. I see Maya is there. Okay, I'll give you some fame, I'll give you some nice house. After retirement, some work is there. Chalo, do in that office work. Voluntary work is there. Chalo. Consultancy is there. Nobody asks, but still I'm open consultant. Chalo, open some consultancy. This is Hiranmayana Patrena. My attention is not on the truth, my attention is on the false things. Satyasya pihitam mukham. इच्छा द्वेष समुत्थेन द्वंद्व मोहेन भारत सर्वभूतानि सम्मोहम सर्गे यान्ति परंतप. इच्छा द्वेष, this has covered everybody's mind. You don't say, I think his mind is colored. You use such words, his mind is too colored by this person. Only before marriage, you know, Swamiji, my son was my son only. After marriage, he got colored. Colored, what happened colored? Colored means that colored of the Cape Town. No, not that colored. Then he got colored. He sees me with a different eyes now. पता नहीं उसने क्या पाठ पढ़ा दिया. That girl, I don't know what she gave to him. Every day after he was coming and talking, now he just says, okay, mummy, hi, bas. He doesn't sit with me, doesn't eat with me. I made, dal puri. He did not eat that. But he ate the muffin made by her. Hiranmayana Patrana, something, find out who is there. But you, why don't you remove? Well, if I had removed Bhagwan, why would I come to you? I tried and failed. If I was capable of removing only, I wouldn't have tried. हम खुद ही फंस जाते हैं. Anywhere I go, I'm caught up. Then what? Tattvam pushanna pavrunu. Apapranu means, please remove it. Biggest loss of a person, he is unable to think about some issue comes which took you away from God, is your weakness. Some issue comes, some person comes who took my attention towards the God. I have become not God-centric, person-centric, rag-centric, dvesh-centric, irsha-centric, passion-centric. My center change of my life. सेंटर तो वही होना चाहिए. इस भजन सारथी सुजाना. The driver's seat should be him only. You can go anywhere, do anything, put on any dress, no problem. But my governor of life should be some truth only. I am doing for only that. This is the main thing. You can eat, you can go, you can do anything. For what? Don't change this point. Forgetfulness is for what? On any issue, if you forget, what for? It is not for God. No. It is not for purity of my mind. No. This emotion won't purify my mind. No. Will it not please God? No. Will it not take you closer to Guru? No. I think throw in the dustbin. What? That thing, that thought of your mind. इधर कोई मतलब ही नहीं उसका. It has no meaning. This is a seeker's point. हमें चाहिए ही नहीं. If it does not give me, take me closer to you, I have nothing to do with it. Marriage is for what? For God. Please God. I told you, one boy came and he said, Swamiji, I am marrying. I said, why? Boles, I have to work in the office. When I work, nobody comes in the mission. All the book work is remaining. My wife will come and work. And she did. Because we can serve more. There is no problem in marrying. There is no problem in earning money. There is no problem in making a house. For what? Be very clear. Satya dharmaye drishtaye. Drishtaye means for knowing the self. Not Sat Dharma, I will not go with Drishtaye. Sat Dharma is the name of the seeker. His name is Sat Dharma. Drishtaye for knowing the self, for knowing the truth. Okay. हमें चाहिए नहीं कुछ. अच्छा, who are you? What is your name? My name SD. SD is the name of card. No. SD card है. Okay, SD card होता है ना. SD card. बोले SD क्या है? आपका नाम क्या है? SD मीन का सत्य धर्मा. अरे लिखा है भाई. You are thinking I am saying from myself. It is written here Satya Dharma. और Sat Dharma is fourth place. To me Satya Dharma. अच्छा, Sat Dharma मतलब क्या है? Little bhash you can see. Let us see what Shankaracharya says. लिखते हैं यहाँ पे सत्य धर्माय तव, सत्यस्य उपासनात् सत्य धर्मा. He has done upasana of the Satya only, therefore his name became Satya Dharma. Like he drinks, he is called drunkard. One who is a devotee is called Bhakta. So therefore, he only thinks about the Satya, Satya. How can I know the truth? Where will I know the truth? What is the self? What is that knowing which you have no sorrows? What is that after which I don't have to go to another birth? Tell me that. Is there something? Yes, it is there something. What is that? No, come tomorrow. Okay, I'll come. No, I'll tell you after 10 years. No, I want to now. Can you tell me today? People used to go to Himalayas. They used to serve the teacher. They used to carry bucket full of water. इसके लिए सत्य धर्मा इज द नेम. अच्छा सत्य धर्मा. अच्छा, I want that truth. I want that God. What is that knowing which everything else is known? कस्मिन्नु भगवो विज्ञाते सर्वमिदं विज्ञातं भवति इति. Nachiketa will ask in Kathopanishad that I want that truth only. He was Satya Dharma, Nachiketa. You will hear Kathopanishad if God wills. Well, when? I don't know. We just hold on. Now the Upanishad has started, we will keep on going. If you understand. Well, I am understanding very well. Okay. So, Satya Dharma is Satyas Upasanat Satya Dharma Yasya Mama Soham Satya Dharma. Nachiketa asked, third boon, what is that truth? Yamraj said, see, take the damsels, take the chariot, take the servants, become the king. A beautiful character is there. He said, take everything. But don't ask this question, what is the self or what is the Atma? But why? If you ask someone, don't do that, he feels more inspired to do that. If I tell you, don't meet that person, you will be more anxious to meet that. He said, but why? He said, because Devairaptrapi vitikitstam pura. Devatas also had asked, but they also did not understand. So how can you, small child, 8-year-old child, how will you understand? Then Nachiketa said, because I have a great acharya like you. I have a greatest teacher like you. But why don't you get all these lollipops? Husband lollipop, wife lollipop, children lollipop, money lollipop. It is which kind of lollipop? Sugar-coated poison. Okay. So attachment time. Living is not a problem. Attachment is a sugar-coated poison. Living with anybody and serving is not a problem. You will be free from that person. Every person sadhana. And every person can be a big hurdle for your sadhana. It depends how you have made it. This pravachan can be my sadhana and it can be my hurdle also. If I want something external from this pravachan, it will be my obstacle. And if I want God's happiness, then it will be my accelerator. Well, why you don't want it? Well, shobhava martasya dantakaitat sarvendriyanam jaryanti tejaha. Well, if I enjoy and indulge, I think I lose my glow. I will become very dependent. Category I will become. I will not have that valor and strength. Api sarvam jivitam alpameva. Everything is short-lived here. You are Yamraj only, you know that. Just you hear, this person passes away, that person passes away. And as you grow old, you will hear more. And after hearing, one more question will come. Which question? Now I am also in the queue. माली आवत देख के कलियां कहीं पुकार, फूल फूल तो चुन लिए, काल हमारी बार. Kabir Das ji says, kaliyan means the birds. When the Mali, the gardener comes and plucks the flowers, All the buds talk among each other. He said, today, the flowers are being plucked. Tomorrow is our turn. Well, api sarvam jivitam alpameva. I want that only. ये ऐसे कोई सत्य धर्मा नहीं, कोई पागल नहीं है. There is nobody is mad. He has seen the world, lived with the world, enjoyed the world, and then he concluded, what? This world did not give me that joy which I expected. My requirement nobody can fulfill. On the other hand, where I wanted, expected, I got solid sorrow. This people, world, money, power, it was okay, but it did not give me what? Quietness, peace. नहीं मिला. कुछ तो मिला होगा. अरे क्या मिला? Little I got. Packaging was so big. Lot of sorrows I got along with that. नहीं मिला वो. What you wanted did not get with any person. But he fulfilled lot of your wishes. After fulfilling, my expectation became so much from him, I got more angry. Why? When he did not fulfill my. But you loved him so much and loved her so much. But one day when he will pass or I will pass, that separation will be so painful. Problem is both the ways. If any good person is there, very good person, then also problem. Why? He's so good, so good, so good. But when we'll be parting, I don't know how we can live apart. They cannot think like that. The very thought only shakes me up. Acha, this person who is not good, terrible, then what happened? Arey, but he is not going now. Both are problem. One person, one situation, one experience you can't hold for a long time. This world is not made to embrace forever. You can embrace and drop him. ये गले लगाने के लिए नहीं मिला है. छोड़ो. Any problem is there, no? Only one word I'll give you a solution. What? Detach. Not externally. What? Internally say, I don't want anything from you. तुम भी खुश, हम भी खुश. तुम्हें जो करना करो, हमें जो करना करें. आओ तो अच्छा, ना आओ तो अच्छा. बोलो तो अच्छा, ना बोलो तो अच्छा. सब अच्छा ही अच्छा है. There is one mantra called, you will not believe, but I'll say. Don't forget that mantra. I told in Veralam also. And that mantra is keep on chanting, very good, very good. Somebody insulted, say very good. Today is I have to test my ego. I'm doing sadhana, how much my ego has come down. Very good. Somebody treated very good. Very good. Why? God gave me. ये तो seeker is the one who पागल नहीं है. He is not a mad person that he goes and thinks about meditation. He has experienced the world. Whole Pandavas, after their life, one day Yudhishthir said, bring the white clothes. I am going to Badri Kedarnath. क्यों? क्या हो गया? नहीं, क्या हो गया? They had whole earth under their sovereignty. They were not poor people. Poverty is nothing to do with spirituality, for your information. गरीब थे तो ऐसा नहीं है. You have everything to enjoy. You have the capacity to enjoy. You can really indulge, but still you feel, I don't think so, there is any purpose of that. Then what do you want? I want that, knowing which there will be no problem. I will be quiet forever without doing anything. His name is Satya Dharma. To me, Satya Dharma Drishtaye. I hope the whole mantra is clear now. Hiranmayena patrena satyasya pihitam mukham tatvam pushanna pavrunu satya dharmaya drishtai. I will again request you, please write these 4 mantras in a piece of paper with your hand, laminate it. And when in the morning, when you get up and after taking bath, you see the east and take water. If you are not sannyasi, then chant 3 times Gayatri mantra and offer water. And chant these 4 mantras. It won't take 1 minute also. 4 mantras. Well, but you said only one. The other we'll see later on. Very beautiful mantra. Please remove the dazzles around me. I am blinded by somebody. They say, no, he was blinded by his attachment. They use such words. His money has blinded him. That girl has blinded him. That boy has blinded him. Fame has blinded this person. Earlier he was. We are blinded by certain things. Living with the people is not a problem, but living with the expectation, living with the dependence, you are in problem now. Living with the thought that he will be with me, all these things you are now nurturing poison inside. It will definitely make the mind bitter and sad in due time or today also. आप परेशान हो जाओगे. Every person is a means to go to God. We should love every person. Serve. How? Just to take us to the God. It should be facilitator and not obstacle. Time is over. We'll see it. पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति 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 हरिः ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः।